If your Facebook account was suspended or disabled and it resulted in your Instagram and your WhatsApp account to get banned because these applications were linked to your Facebook profile or Facebook page, watch my video completely till the end because I'm going to show you a method with which you could unlink your Facebook account and then get your Instagram and your WhatsApp account unbanned. So if you're watching my video for today, I'm sure your Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp accounts are banned. And the main problem was not Instagram or WhatsApp, it was Facebook. So the first thing for you to do is get hold of your phone and unlink your Facebook profile from the other apps. So assuming the fact that you do not have access to your Facebook account, we are going to use the Instagram application to delink your Facebook profile completely from Instagram or from WhatsApp. Okay, so let's go ahead and open Instagram. Then you click on your profile icon out here, then click on the menu to the top right. Then you click on Account Center. Then you click on Manage Accounts. So here you're going to see all your accounts that are linked to each other, be it Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp. So as you could see, I have multiple Instagram accounts and a Facebook account, and I do not have my WhatsApp account linked out here. But say supposing this was the Facebook account which was banned or disabled, whatever, you would need to delink this from your Meta account center, which is this, to ensure that you could proceed further. So in order for you to delink this, click on Manage. Once you do that, you're going to get three options out here. Select the first one, move out of this account's center. Select this option, follow on screen instructions, and your Facebook account is going to completely move out from your current Meta profile, which means that Facebook account of yours is going to be completely isolated from your existing Instagram or WhatsApp accounts. Now, after you delink your Facebook account with your Instagram or WhatsApp account through the Meta account center, the next thing for you to do is go ahead and appeal individually for Instagram and WhatsApp so that they could unban your account and you get access to your accounts again. And something very important here is that there are a lot of procedures to appeal. The best way to appeal for an Instagram or a WhatsApp account unbanned is through the application itself. The first method that I would always recommend is try signing into your Instagram or logging into your WhatsApp accounts individually, and you are definitely going to get a prompt to fill up a form or apply for an unban or request an approval to access your account again. So follow the instructions after you log into your Instagram or your WhatsApp account and see if you could apply through there, and wait for like 2 to 3 working days. I would say give them at least 5 days. Even after 5 working days, you do not get a response in the first place. What you could do is try appealing to them using this interesting technique. Just open any browser on a phone or a PC and do a Google search for "my Instagram was deactivated." Click on the first suggestion by Google. You're going to be directed to the help center for Instagram on how you could unban your Instagram account. Here you scroll down a bit. You could go through whatever is given to you out here. Something what I would suggest is get in touch with customer support directly through this page. There's a shortcut out here. Scroll down and you see a message box. This is actually a feedback box, so as to say. You could actually give a feedback through this box. Click on no, then what went wrong. Select any one of these. I don't like the product or policy. Click on select and then put in an appeal message out here in this message box. In the message out here, tell them that you haven't done anything wrong, to please review your account and give you access back. Now for your WhatsApp appeal, this is what you are going to do apart from the traditional method by logging into the application and just do a Google search for "my WhatsApp account was deactivated." Go ahead and click on the first link suggested by Google. This page gives you all insights about how you could reactivate your account. Go through if you want, but if you do not want to, if you want to appeal, just scroll down. You see the message box out here. You know what to do, right? Click on no and then click on the second or the third answer and then send an appeal to WhatsApp or Meta support through this message box. Here also tell them that you haven't done anything wrong, if that's the case, and appeal. That's it. These messages that I am telling you to do goes directly to customer support with Meta. So you should be getting a response from a real human at customer support with Meta. So these guys are going to help you accordingly. After you submit appeals to unban your Instagram and WhatsApp account, wait for like 7 to 10 working days. That is the time frame. You cannot speed it up because these guys are catering to a lot of accounts worldwide. And remember one thing very important out here: after you get access to your Instagram or your WhatsApp account, do not re-link your Facebook account or Facebook profile to any one of these applications. Otherwise, again, your Instagram or WhatsApp account may just get banned. And finally, when your Instagram and WhatsApp account is free, then you could go ahead and keep appealing for your Facebook account individually. That is going to be from a separate Meta profile. If you need any assistance, I'm always there to back you up. Just send me an email. I'm all yours. Take care, my friend.